Imagine walking into a company boardroom and finding out the CEO isn't a person at all. It's an AI, making decisions faster than any human could, spotting opportunities before anyone else even sees them. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is happening now. AI is no longer just assisting executives. It's running entire companies, breaking rules of business, ethics, and even social norms in ways we didn't know existed. Today, we're counting down 10 ways AI is completely rewriting the rules we thought were untouchable. 10. AI is running companies without human bias. Bias is a big problem in human-led organizations. Hiring, promotions, and even business strategies often favor certain people or ideas without a real logical basis. Enter AI CEOs. Some companies are experimenting with AI decision-making platforms that analyze data purely on performance metrics, market trends, and historical outcomes. For example, an AI system named Atlas has been used to manage investment portfolios, hiring processes, and project allocations. By removing human bias, AI can make decisions that are objectively better for the company, even if they feel uncomfortable to humans. This is a rule-breaking shift because for decades, we assumed leadership always required human judgment. 9. AI makes decisions in seconds that take humans weeks. One of the most striking advantages of AI in leadership is its speed. Human executives often spend days or even weeks analyzing reports, crunching numbers, consulting teams, and debating strategies before making major decisions. AI CEOs, however, operate on an entirely different scale. They can process millions of data points in seconds, identify patterns, assess risks, and generate actionable insights almost instantly. For example, an AI-driven logistics company used predictive algorithms to anticipate shipment delays and adjust routes in real time, reducing operational costs by 20%. This kind of rapid, data-driven decision-making is nearly impossible for humans to match. It challenges the long-held belief that careful human deliberation is always essential for major business choices. Companies leveraging AI in leadership can respond to market shifts faster, optimize resources efficiently, and gain a competitive edge in global markets, fundamentally changing how businesses operate and compete. 8. AI predicts market behavior more accurately. Stock markets and consumer trends are famously unpredictable. Yet AI systems are showing they can anticipate market shifts more accurately than most humans. By analyzing patterns from decades of historical data combined with real-time analytics, AI CEOs can make investment or marketing decisions that seem almost prophetic. For instance, AI platforms like Kavout use machine learning algorithms to rank stocks based on predicted performance. Companies relying on these tools report higher returns and lower risk. This is a huge break from the traditional belief that markets are too chaotic to predict reliably. 7. AI challenges human ethics in leadership. Ethics has always been a major concern for CEOs. Decisions often involve moral judgments, from layoffs to environmental policies. AI approaches ethics differently. It calculates outcomes, risks, and benefits without emotional attachment. This can create tension because an AI might make a perfectly logical decision that humans find morally questionable. For example, AI might suggest automating a department to save costs, even if it means job losses. While controversial, this challenges the long-held rule that only humans can make ethical leadership decisions. Companies are now exploring hybrid models where AI makes recommendations, but humans still oversee moral implications. 6. AI breaks the rule of traditional communication. Communication has always been a human skill, central to leadership. But AI is changing that. AI CEOs can generate real-time reports, presentations, and even negotiate contracts using natural language processing tools. One startup experimented with an AI-driven virtual executive capable of sending emails, arranging meetings, and even responding to client objections autonomously. The result? Decisions and negotiations that once required multiple human managers now happen instantly, sometimes without a single human stepping in. This breaks the rule that leadership must be tied to face-to-face or verbal communication. 5. AI learns from every mistake instantly. One of the most remarkable advantages of an AI CEO is its ability to learn from mistakes immediately. Unlike humans, who may take months or even years to fully understand the consequences of a poor decision, often at great cost, AI can analyze the error as soon as it occurs. For example, if an AI misjudges a market trend, underestimates demand, or selects the wrong candidate for a role, it doesn't dwell on the failure. It updates its algorithms and adjusts future strategies instantly. This continuous self-correction allows companies to optimize operations in real time, avoiding repeated errors and improving efficiency far faster than human leadership can achieve. Over time, this capability fosters a culture of constant improvement and accountability. Mistakes are no longer inevitable setbacks but opportunities for immediate learning, setting a new standard for precision and performance in corporate decision-making. 4. AI redefines accountability. Traditionally, CEOs are accountable for every decision. They take the blame when things go wrong. But when an AI CEO is in charge, accountability becomes a gray area. Who is responsible when an AI makes a wrong decision? The programmers? The board? Or the AI itself? This is a rule we never thought to challenge, that leadership always requires a human figurehead who carries full responsibility. Legal frameworks are struggling to catch up, and some companies are now drafting AI accountability policies to address this unprecedented situation. 3. AI forces transparency in business operations. AI thrives on data, and that reliance on information is transforming how companies operate. When an AI CEO monitors everything, from supply chains and financial flows to employee productivity, businesses gain unprecedented insight into processes that were once opaque. Every decision, action, and outcome becomes measurable, auditable, and traceable to precise calculations. This level of transparency doesn't just improve efficiency, it also helps reduce errors, mismanagement, or even corruption. Human CEOs often operate with a degree of discretion, but AI leaves no room for guesswork or hidden mistakes. For example, if a project falls behind schedule, the AI can pinpoint exactly why, whether it's a resource bottleneck, miscommunication, or workflow issue. Over time, this promotes accountability at every level of the organization. As AI continues to expand in leadership roles, corporate governance may shift dramatically, emphasizing data-backed oversight, fairness, and objective performance tracking. 2. AI challenges the idea that creativity requires a human brain. For decades, we've assumed creativity is a uniquely human trait, something that requires intuition, imagination, and emotional insight. AI is now challenging that notion in remarkable ways. Advanced systems can design innovative products, develop compelling marketing campaigns, write articles, and even compose music, all with a level of originality that rivals human creators. Companies that integrate AI into their innovation processes often report faster product development, more diverse ideas, and solutions that might never emerge in traditional brainstorming sessions. By analyzing massive datasets, AI identifies patterns, trends, and gaps that humans might overlook, combining logic and insight to produce imaginative solutions. This demonstrates that leadership and problem-solving no longer depend solely on human intuition. AI is proving that machines can actively contribute to creative thinking, enhancing human capabilities and redefining how we approach innovation in business, marketing, and design. 1. AI is becoming a CEO in its own right. The most shocking rule AI is breaking is the very definition of leadership. AI isn't just a tool, it's starting to act as a CEO, making executive decisions with minimal human input. Atlas and similar AI systems are already leading certain departments in investment, logistics, and technology companies. These AIs can approve budgets, decide on staffing, and even negotiate deals based on data analysis. While humans are still involved for oversight, the idea that a company must be led by a person is no longer absolute. This redefines what leadership looks like and could have long-term implications for how businesses are structured worldwide. AI has already broken rules we didn't know existed, from predicting markets to redefining leadership, ethics, and creativity. These changes are just the beginning. Companies adopting AI CEOs are gaining advantages that were unimaginable a few years ago, and even the way we define accountability and decision-making is shifting. As AI continues to evolve, it will challenge more assumptions about work, management, and even human potential. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on AI and the future of business. The rules are changing, and staying informed might be your best move yet.